There's a trend going around at the moment called latte makeup. It's basically just extremely bronzy makeup, kind of intense smoky brown eyes, really light face makeup, more of a natural lip. So we are going to do my version of this. Both of these photos are actually on my Pinterest just because a lot of my clients really like this type of look. My face doesn't match my fake tan, so I just mix together the bronzing drops and the Shani Darden Peptide Cream. I think underpainting is going to be the best method for this look just because I use less foundation when I do underpainting. There's literally so much thunder outside right now. I'm in Puerto Rico and it's been raining today. The power just went out. All right, it's already back up, we're good. This is the Nude Sticks Medium Neutral Contour Stick. I want pretty light coverage, so I'm just adding this Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I'm just blending this in with my Sigma F80 brush. I definitely need more bronzer, so I'm just going over my contour with the Milk Bronzer Stick. So something about these looks is they don't really have any blush on, so I'm kind of putting my bronzer where I would put the blush. A little bit underneath my chin and also on my forehead. Using the Kosas concealer, and I'm just adding a very light amount. Blending this in, and I'm also going to put it on my lid as my eyeshadow primer. I'm lightly going to set my under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Fair powder, and I'm lightly just gonna set my whole face with this powder as well. I don't have any freckles like these girls, so I'm just gonna add a few with my brow pencil. Okay, I think that's good enough. While I already have my eyebrow pencil out, I'm just going to fill my brows now. I really want that fluffy eyebrow look, so I'm using the Kosas Airbrow. Now for the fun part, eyeshadow. I'm using the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette, and I'm gonna stick with these warm brown eyeshadows. And I'm just going to really be I don't have to be super perfect with this, so I'm just going all over my lid. When I'm blending it, I'm kind of putting it up underneath my eyebrow, and then I'm going to drag it out. The under eyes are pretty smoky, so I'm dusting this pretty low underneath my eye, just connecting it with the top. Go to part two.